the PSL awards are starting to lose substance. And the more PSL yaqhubeka wayenza ngalendlela ewenza ngayo lama award, I'm telling you azoqala ukubhora, and a lot of fans are going to lose interest, teams are going to lose interest, and then before we know it, asena our PSL awards angazi ukuthi ubani obhayiza. I don't know if it's the PSL organizing committee or if it's the decision makers about decide ukuthi lama award lawa ahostwe ngalendlela ahostwe ngawe, but the way bawa hosta ngakhona bawenza ukuthi angasabaluleki kithi, bayenza ukuthi singasabi nomdladla wokwabheka lama award, because I mean yini lento besibhekile izolo. Athe mawaqala lama award labana ngibona ama presenter for smile le nyasho ukuthi yeba nakwenzakalani na bafethu South African football so sesithathe serious nini. The way the awards were organized was poor. The way the awards were executed was also poor. When will we have a live event? Why can't kungabi ne live event? All the clubs are invited, and it also doesn't make sense that kuba nama awards where PSL E1 and then Hollywood Super League le amantombazana wona ama award wabo anini. Why kungabi ama award I1 in one night? And also, why doesn't the women's division also fall under the PSL? It only makes sense ukuthi mawuthi Premier Soccer League, there's a division yabantu besifazane bese kuba nale division lena yamajita, they all come in one room, kube nama presenter, kube nabantu abangena ba presenter ama award, kube nabantu abayenza nama nominees, zonke lezo zinto lezo, but we didn't see it lento leyo yenzeka in many years. The division between the PSL, SAFA and the Women's League is obvious. Obvious division between lama entity lawa we3 clearly labantu laba barana lama entities laba angazi if abazwani or kwenzakalani, but there's so much division that the PSL awards had to go on live while game Banyana idlala. Yini yona lento le. Why weren't we watching Banyana? Why weren't we supporting Banyana? Sihleli sibhekelela ama PSL awards ngaphi Banyana iyadlala. Is SAFA saying to us that Banyana is not important bhekana ama PSL awards? The disrespect to ibhola labantu besifazane, and then ke kusasa siyahlangana siyakhala abantu nabangalibheki, but makwenzakala izinto so they are giving us more and more reason yokuthi zingadlala. I can assure you if bekudlala bafana beyoma yonke into, if bekudlala bafana bekuyoma yonke into, bengeke nama PSL awards adlale ngisho even if bathi bekune international friendly Sundown mele yodlala ne Madrid, leyo game leyo would have been postponed and moved because kudlale Banyana. So the execution of those awards was poor. The way the awards were handled was poor, and I still don't understand ukuthi abanye abantu abanominatiwe, who was responsible for the nominees. Le panel lehlalile ya discuss lama nominees kwabona self, they have to be questioned. If someone is tied to a certain team, you can't be part of the voting panel. If you have a big connection ne team etile, we can't trust you when judgment yakho ngeke si trust because siyazi ukuthi biased. Now we all know ukuthi kunabantu who were part of that board, abanye they have an association with a certain club, so obvious we all knew ukuthi sekuzodominate IP club because omunye ole umuntu osondelene naleyo club leyo, so it wasn't fair. And I want to start ngale category le last man standing MTN 8. We had Ozwenapolis nominated, we had Tsepang Muremi and we had Ukamohelo Sibelebele, and Tsepang Muremi won it. Sharp Tsepang Muremi udlalile, but remember, nge MTN 8 Tsepang Muremi was still finding his feet. This is when Tsepang Muremi besakakwazi ungena from the bench ashaya ama goals sibone ukuthi lomchita lo kantuna something plus angithi yakhumbula prior to that a lot of us besimnyanza because besibone ngathi the first two games of the season akadlalanga kahle. However, Ukamohelo Sibelebele is the reason Orlando Pirates made it to the final. He's the one that scored 2 important goals against the Mamelodi Sundowns, and he had a stellar performance. Azanga drop and a performance akikla game la na witu. And then Orlando Pirates yahamba yayofika kuma final. For me, Kamohelo Sibelebele was more deserving than Tsepang Muremi to be the last man standing in the MTN 8. He had a good MTN 8. Bekaqala ukudlalela iPirates kule MTN 8. The Pirates had just introduced him to us, and he was phenomenal and he was just exceptional to watch. Now we move on. Sharp calling knockout Umbekezeli Mbokazi bayamupha, but you also look at Umbekezeli Mbokazi has been a flawless player for Orlando Pirates. Umchita bekamnandi kunala at some point beka captain buye beka push team nani, but for me I think he only got that award because of lela goal lela. Mas ngathi sibheka actual performance Tsepang Muremi ke, that's when he started being instrumental for Orlando Pirates, scoring goals against Magesi nanani ila bese kaqala ukushisa khona, but siyambongela Umbekezeli Mbokazi. Now let's talk about the midfield of the season. Here le incasulile, when I saw Ozwenapolis win midfield of the season, to me it didn't make sense. Bengizibuza ngithi Ozwenapolis wina kanjani midfield of the season? Why is it that again division between SAFA and the PSL? Why is it that naba announce squad sebafana Ozwenapolis announce kuma midfield ba announce kuma forwards yena nomfuking? bababeka le kuma forwards abababeki kuma midfields, but in the PSL bayakwazi ukuthi babathathe baba nominate for midfield of the season. It was unfair on someone like uTalente Mbata. There were games la uTalente Mbata was not there, Pirates being adlali kahle. Whenever he's there, Pirates beyiwina, bekuba ne direction, bekuba ne shape in the middle of the park. Each time uTalente Mbata bekadlala. If anyone was deserving of a nomination, Talente Mbata, Teboho Mokoena. And also, if you've already selected a player, a team in, for me, one player can be selected in a team. Sesiyenzela ngithi bafethi ifairness. ULebohang Maboe bafethi uzamile. ULebohang Maboe bafethi uzamile. If you don't want to nominate uLebohang Maboe, kunama player adlalile lapha kubo Golden Arrows abo Maxwele badlale kahle. Mthiani played well ku Stellenbosch FC. So they could have looked nakamanye ama club ke ukuthi bafethi okay asithathe ne-one okule club. Now ama central midfielders, then you give it to Talente Mbata. He won the league, right? And then another one ke le abantu abaningi abakhale ngayo, player of the season. So obviously uRelebohile Mofokeng is a crowd favorite, and it's clear to see ukuthi he's a favorite amongst players as well, because angithi le player of the season ama player voter. So the players voted for Mofokeng, sharp, clean. There's nothing wrong. The boy is exciting to watch. Qale from January udlale kahle kamnandi. Footballer of the season was supposed to be Ozwenapolis. Ozwenapolis uyithwele iOrlando Pirates from the first game. Angena on the field afake le badge Orlando Pirates. Ozwenapolis has been instrumental for Orlando Pirates. He carried the team when nothing was happening. Ozwenapolis uye bekayenza sure ukuthi izinto zayenzeka for Orlando Pirates. Bekatabalaza abafethu Ozwenapolis, bekakora amagoli Ozwenapolis, beka creator. Please ngicela sibuyele back to ama clip nama game wala season, sibheke a game la Mofokeng came from the bench and then we change the complexion of the game. But Ozwenapolis has done that one too many times. We've seen Ozwenapolis coming off the bench. We've seen Ozwenapolis coming off the bench, angena maqeda akore, if akakori uya creator, if aka create u involved ku build up play le bese hambe lead to a goal. So I don't understand ukuthi yini lo Mofokeng ayenze ngcono than Ozwenapolis. The only thing I'm hlule ngayo amagoli. That's the only thing I'm hlule ngayo. There was a goal la Ozwenapolis Pirates idlala namaZulu la thatha umuntu athena maqeda shooter from outside. That goal is supposed to be nominated for goal of the season. Hayi le find le yakadlodile lepo. Le yakadlodile le find even actually yakalilepo lingcono ukuhlula leli la kaNdlovu. Mina ngiunderstand lela goal la kaNdlovu ukuthi beli special ngani kuze lize li nominate. Ngoba ugijimile abantu bawa yakor. I still don't understand that. So EPSL need to improve the system yabo. Number one, labantu laba who are involved kule panel yokunominator, sicela bangabuthatha abantu who have ties with certain teams, because then kuzoba ne biasness eningi, and then bese abantu bawina ama awards simply because usibanibani uhleli kule panel ufavor Chiefs, omunye ufavor Sundowns, omunye ufavor Pirates. If we want this thing to be fair, rather bizana ama journalists. Because they're the ones that follow the league throughout the season. They're the ones that write the articles, travel to different games. Ama journalist amanye ayahamba yobheka iPulukwane City play against Makesi FC. So they're the ones that can tell you, good, no, there's a player who's been scoring a lot for iPulukwane City, wenze lokhu, waqeda la wafinisha la. So rather have lawo journalists, because if we have legends or former players, the only thing is that ama former player are tied to certain teams. If a player is a legend in Orlando Pirates, it wouldn't make sense for him to be in the voting panel about decide ukuthi ubani o winner I player of the season, ubani o winner I footballer of the season. And then when it comes to yona Leo category Leo, another thing that the PSL should consider implementing, allow the fans to decide the footballer of the year. I'll tell you how. Get a voting panel, also select the 3 players, and then let the fans decide who to ban or itatai. Because maybe ngamaneti na fans iskala ukuthi ayipolitiketu as ama fan. Mara sometimes sipegelele sibona abantu barojo abafethu daylight robbery. uRelebohile Mofokeng only had a good end of the season. He didn't have a good season. Kunala Mofokeng bafethu besizwe so worried ukuthi he's even going to go to the AFCON. He almost didn't make it to the AFCON. Utemagabuya ku injury ke, a lot of us were excited ukuthi Mofokeng uzongena. He went to the AFCON. What did he do ku AFCON? They were the very same people laba bamkhalela abaningi bebaze bathukana ukuthi Mofokeng uzidlisile lapha yana ku AFCON. So I don't understand ukuthi abobani laba abahlala kulama voting panel and decide the winners and decide the people that make it to the nomination list, because labo bantu labo some ikona biasness eningi. How does Mofokeng continue to win a young player of the season? So if bekangahambanga nakule season le nahlala besekazi ukuthi guaranteed he's the young player of the season, someone like Mfundo Vilakazi also could have at least gotten a nomination. For me, as Unkulu Yashilo, you don't always have to play 10 games as a young star to be considered young player of the season. Whether Ungene as a substitute snenin and featured, Cameron Denson for me even deserved to be nominated for young player of the season. Le goal alkori like for against Mamelodi Sundowns, the games la bekangena khona for Pirates bekavela bekabonakala. There's a pool of young players that could have been nominated. Not only Rilebuhile Mfukeng, kunina iwina. Umbokazi because udlalile the first half of the season. Why yena bangamnominatanga naye? If sikwazi ukupha ama-player ama-award based on 5-6 games, then Umbokazi could have been nominated because when the season started, he was consistent yena noLibone Siyema. They were the ones that were making things happen for Orlando Pirates. Yiba abantu bebasave Pirates, Umbokazi makushubile bekatabalaza shoot from outside the box, ashama long pass. Usiyema was doing the same. And congratulations to Libone Siyema. That's the one award that I agree with. Ulibone Siyema was deserving of it defender of the season. And I think Ulibone Siyema is someone to watch out for. Whoever scouted Ulibone Siyema lapha ku Orlando Pirates uyayazi into ayenzayo, that person must get their flowers. Yabona lo decidile ukuthi namhlanje samthatha Ulibone Siyema, loyo muntu loyo simupha ama flower wakhe, uyayazi into akayenzayo. So my biggest concern ngalama PSL awards is that if they're gonna continue ukenzeka ngalendlela le ayenzeka ngayo ne, and they constantly baloke bayenza lento ukuthi bawayenza virtual, bafuna ukwadlala makudlala izinye izinto ezibalulekile, azoluza substance lama awards lawo, azogcina fana nama Summer Awards nama Metro FM Awards la kusana umuntu ofuna ukwabheka nokuthi abalekile. Then the players at the end of the season umuntu yashuthi mfana ngibe ne season enhle kanje, akusana nento engiyitholayo ukuthi bangirecognize ukuthi amfana udlalile, you had a good season. To the PSL siyazicelela, sicela ukuthi next awards singahlulwa iCricket South Africa, singahlulwa yilabantu laba berugby. As the football industry, can we come together, SAFA and the PSL, if kunento kune line lana le line lena sisuse, become one entity, host us ama awards acacile, host us ama awards where the players can go dress up. Imagine Teko Modise, someone who won footballer of the season back to back, amile kuye present award. Imagine Thulani Sirero, someone who's won it before, giving it to a young Mfukeng, because Sirero na imakayina, he was young, and uthe makaqeda ukuyina wahamba waya Ajax Amsterdam. So kushuthi uyadlulisela kuMfukeng ukuthi I know ukuthi feel kanjani le moment le. It makes the players feel special and it makes the players feel important. So this division between SAFA and the PSL has to come to an end, because somehow it's affecting our football, it's affecting our progress, and it's affecting the growth of the PSL. And congratulations also to Sipho Chain Sambongela. We winile goalkeeper of the season. It was obvious. I think we all knew lama awards ukuthi azodlala kanjani. Yabona if bebathi bekunendlela yokuthi ubheje, abantu abaningi kube bayenza imali izolo. We all knew ukuthi lama awards azohamba kanjani. The only time I think a lot of people would have been disappointed yile aka Ozuna Police maka winner in midfield of the season, because we all thought he was probably going to win player of the season, and then Mfukeng would go on to win footballer of the season.